Today we are looking at a Carter Day ACH1 indent sizer. This unit has been rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. We took this unit apart, sandblasted it, went over all of the wear components, checked the bearings. Anything that needed replaced was replaced. This unit is ready to function and perform as good as a new one. We thoroughly sandblasted the inside of this unit and cleaned it. You can see how clean it is. You can see the flighting there. The insides of the drums were blasted as well. All of the controls are free and work as they should. Again, this unit was disassembled, sandblasted, repainted. Everything has been gone through. It has the appropriate safety shielding, and we can move the motor one way or the other. That's your speed control. In a minute we'll fire it up and you can see it run. This is where your product goes in. It's then separated out by the indent drum, and then it's discharged out that end. This unit runs on 220 volts single phase or 110 volts single phase. It's an all-around nice unit. It's in like new condition. The customer that bought the indent also wanted some drums, and we had some drums on hand. We sandblasted these, got them nice and clean on the inside, and we painted them. This unit is ready to ship. We've got it all crated up and ready to set on the truck. Let's fire the indent up so you can see it run. Here you can see the unit running. Fires right up, starts strong, runs strong. We can adjust the speed of the drum by turning this knob here. All of the controls are free and work as they should on this unit. You can open up the inspection cover here. You can see the drum turning around in there. And it hums right along, it's ready to perform. You can adjust the angle of the catch just by turning this knob here. By catch, I mean the internal trough. You can see it moving ever so slightly as I adjust this crank. These units do clatter a little bit when they're empty. Once this unit runs with seed, it'll quiet right down. It's an all-around nice unit. The motor on this unit was rebuilt by a motor shop. Again, we took this unit completely apart, inspected all of the wear components. Anything that needed replaced was replaced. This unit is ready to go out and perform. This indent sizer, as well as other indent sizers, all makes, all model, can be bought from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.